Today I'm working on the flooring on the front half of the van. What I actually have going on here is raising the floor to and about 1/4 inches. What this does is allows me some space to insulate and soundproof, which is great if you're going to be playing in extreme hot or cold environments. It also frees up some space to hide my shower pan in the front there. It's more of a natural height for when the front seats swivel around because the front actually slopes upward. So at the height of the front seats, it feels great when you're facing forward, but when you swivel back around, your feet would dangle. So bringing the floor up is a lot more natural for using that in that environment. And then it's also a nice height for the step coming in. So really kind of raising the floor accomplishes many goals for me here. So what I'm doing is actually framing it all up, then I'm going to insulate in it all, then I'll put my 1/2 inch subfloor down, and then I'll put my flooring on top of that, which comes out to about that 2 1/4 inches. Alright, so the flooring has been raised, it's been insulated, and it's been finished with this nice tongue and groove flooring, and then trimmed out with aluminum trim, and as you can see, I've got some nice L-tracks in as well.